It's time for another build. This build's actually a continuation of this one. I'm selling the motherboard and all the stuff from it. Well, actually just the motherboard, because I never bought a processor. So I'm going to use the $20 a lot of parts, and actually this one, that compact, I believe. Yeah. So there's the motherboard, AM2, maybe plus, I'm not sure. Maybe it can be flashed. I don't know. I don't really care right now. There's the processor, same thing out of the HP, because I'm getting rid of the HP. Trying to make some money for some other projects. There's my GTX 560 Ti, which is the best graphics card I'm going to use, or that I have, so I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to use this system to test bench stuff with my graphics card that I got from the $10 haul, for the $20 haul. 120 gig 888 SSD. Windows is already on it, so that saves a step. There's the same power supply, same cooler, because I didn't like the other cooler, because it was just too small. And then 6 gigs of RAM. This motherboard supports 4, but I read that it'll support 8. So, and then the same case that was upstairs. So basically we're on the same system from the HP with a different motherboard and different case. That's pretty much it. But whatever, it's a build, so there'll be video.
Shooting from the sky as if thrown from Mars. Only try to please, don't let me down. 'Cause we'll start falling, falling, falling towards the ground. Start falling, falling, falling. 'Cause we'll start falling, falling, falling. 'Cause we'll start falling. start falling, falling, falling. Cause we'll start falling.